arrived last night from my leave.
Many hours later.
Hello, we're here in Chicago and the weather today is -6 degrees. I have my heat tech from Uniqlo under and I have my wool sweater. You can't see it, but I'm also wearing heat tech under my jeans. I have a proper thermal jacket. We are going to the city and we're gonna go see the bean because last time I was here it was -20 degrees. I couldn't even step outside of the hotel. So now is the chance for me to do that because it's only -7. And I have proper winter clothes now. So I got this. Gotta go. Bye bye.
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. You and I'll be better when we're old enough.
Nag-service ako sa kanya.
Ako nga din eh. Cabin crew, you visit a lot of places, but you experience the fun alone. Like, you have people with you, you have your colleagues with you, but to tell you the truth, you just met that day and you have a common goal of seeing the city together. Other than that, you're not really like friends. You just become friends on a layover, but it's not like you've known each other for a long time. Yeah, so there's that. I'm gonna shower. I'm not yet sleepy, so I'm gonna wait it out and then sleep. Bye bye. spent there, but we live. I didn't buy a lot of the things in my list, so I just pre-sold it, which is against my rules. I'm going back to the hotel. Bye bye.
But she's been doing that since before I even got here. It's great. We prefer you didn't do it, but it's tradition. What's the dog doing?
So I'm back in Doha and I just showered. My god, mine is not working.
Morning yoga challenge that I have here until we can rest the forehead down and we'll step lower to the mat.
Dating mga student. Let's layer up. It's negative 2 degrees today. Let's go. Lobby. It's insanely cold. brain rot activity. I'm gonna put on YouTube, eat a bit of my meal, and then go to sleep.
My thoughts for the new year. Trying to
be more intentional since I was like a kid, and then ever since it would be like more catching up.
Oh, I'm wearing the same thing. 30 hours in New York. You don't need 2 sets of clothing because you're gonna layer up anyways.